Have you ever wondered how food is made? You are probably aware that food on store shelves was not created by someone using only their bare hands. If they did, it would certainly take a long time and cost more money. Then, how does it operate? How is the food produced that we buy in the markets? How is our go-to chocolate, the cake we regularly buy, or the flavor of ice cream prepared? Using the technology we have today, it's actually not that hard to produce everything in a matter of seconds with a machine. However, it would take a lot longer if humans did it. It's actually the food manufacturing machines that have led the revolution in a big way. Well, there are plenty of food manufacturing machines that are completely insane, but in this video, we have compiled a list of 10 insane food manufacturing machines that have left a shocking impact globally. But before we move any further, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's dig in.
This is Techtastic.
Who doesn't love bananas? Well, all of us, but is peeling a banana as easy as eating it? Certainly not. To make things easier, we got a machine that solves this problem. At number 10, we have a banana peeling machine. A new automatic banana peeler called the Career 6000 was developed by Tropical Food Machinery. Its new product working capacity is 6 mth and its pulp extraction rate is 60%. A precise mechanized peeling system, reduced labor requirements, pulp processing, an inert environment with antioxidant treatment, dependable output, and exceptional final quality are all provided by Career 6000. The loading of the banana hands onto a steel cable that takes them to the chambering machinery will only require 10 to 15 sorting operators. Moving on, if you had a chance to have that one thing by your side the whole day, you will definitely choose chocolate. That comprises our spot at the 9th position. At number 9, we have a chocolate packing machine. Chocolates and other things covered in chocolate are flow wrapped using the DXD660 high-speed chocolate packing machine. To reduce consumers' time, the flow wrapper may be fastened immediately to the chocolate cooling tunnels of chocolate goods. The equipment has a motion PLC that can be operated remotely. For consistent high-speed operation, this machine incorporates 3 servo motors on the packing components and 6 servo motors on the alignment conveyors. Film wrapping machines may change films without stopping or slowing down thanks to an auto-spacing system. The heated sealing film has a maximum linear speed of 60 and 80. It contains a chocolate cooling unit for a cold sealing layer to prevent melting while on the conveyor belt. Now that's interesting, but coming up at number 8, we have cookie making machines. Just discover the ideal commercial cooking appliance for your bakery's needs. Poland has consistently increased the variety of production equipment to incorporate the most cutting-edge technologies and premium materials available. Their clients also profit from their unmatched grasp of formulation, manufacturing, flow training, and service because they are industry pioneers. For your demands, they have a solution that will hold up for decades. Heavy-duty and high-output rotary molders are one of their most contemporary industrial solutions, regardless of whether your meals require one of the industry's top multi-drop deposits. Now at number 7, we have a machine that is going to help gym lovers, the egg machine. In order to achieve automatic egg yolk and yolk breaking as well as separation, the MDL-18 machine is an automatic egg breaking and separating machine that imitates artificial egg breaking movement. It is widely used in many food processing facilities such as those that handle egg liquid and cake and egg flour manufacturers and other food-grade businesses. The finished products can be used to produce noodles, pies, cakes, and other baked goods. It varies in its effectiveness in meeting the diverse consumption needs of customers. It has created a unique centrifugal apparatus to collect egg liquid and shell at a high rate of separation. All components have a humanized design that makes them simple to remove and clean and are constructed of 304 stainless steel. In comparison to flat screens, the filter screen features a slotted design that makes it more durable and impervious to jamming. At number 6, we got French fries making machines. Now, in order to improve softness, destroy germs, and suppress active enzymes, the French fries blanching machine is used to blanch French fries and potato chips into vibrant hues while preserving fresh flavors. The equipment is most effective when used on the production line for French fries, but it can also be utilized on the line for potato chips and other vegetable and fruit blanching tasks in food processing facilities. Similar to this, a French fry plant's production efficiency can be greatly increased by using a continual belt type French fry blanching machine to repeatedly blanch French fries for potato slices. The average time from input to output is 90 seconds. Choose the blanching machine if you want a good French fry maker. Now that's commendable, fruit lovers. The next one will grab your attention. At number 5, we have watermelon processing machines. Based on a 500 milliliter bottle, the capacity of this 4-in-1 watermelon machine is roughly 60 bottles per hour. It also performs other wonderful activities. A 4-in-1 juice filling machine fills at a temperature of about 55 degrees Celsius, which is regarded as medium temperature filling. Since medium temperature juice, unlike hot juice, cannot kill bacteria, the machine uses 2 cleaning processes to keep the bottles as sterile as possible. A juice filling machine and a tank of disinfection water are first provided for washing the bottles. After that, rinse the bottles in clean water. 316 stainless steel also makes up the filling valves. Now, in my opinion, this one definitely has to be there in every household. At number 4, we have almond peeling machines. The wet almond peeling machine, as the name implies, removes the skin from soaked almonds, peanuts, and chickpeas. Because it has a high skin peeling speed, a delicate moist peeling technique, and complete kernel rate. The best equipment for processing almonds is the Chinese almond peeler, which is widely used in the food industry. They also have an almond shelling machine. Almonds that have been peeled can remain whole. Both time and money are significantly saved by automatic operation. A wet peanut peeler offers a high output capacity, minimal energy use, and a straightforward operation. Other than being attractive, the almond's color is bright and the skin and nuts can be automatically separated with high efficiency. Disqualification, automation, energy savings, high output efficiency, and simple cleaning are some of its features. Additionally, there is a self-guiding tool. The item complies with sanitary requirement. It is high quality and hygienic. The finest part of this is that. So now we've come to the list of the top 3 insane food manufacturing machines. At number 3, we have olive oil manufacturing machines. Agriculture-related products have occasionally suffered negative effects from the global expansion of agribusiness. They become unhealthy and unnatural when produced quickly and in big quantities. They decided to build the Eckler machine in accordance with the organic agriculture sector standards and the environmental considerations of the world where organic farming is gaining popularity. You may have been aware that boutique olive oil production has a limited supply due to significant effort. The manufacturing work done has a direct relationship with the form's quality and naturalness. They can keep the oil's purity by using a cold-pressed method to prepare the olive. So what exactly is the problem with the small olive oil machine? It uses smaller equipment sizes to produce oil in a compact space. The oil preserves its olive flavor due to the system's ability to work well in freezing temperatures. When done properly, everyday olive crushing produces oil of a better high grade. High oil output and perfect high quality oil creation are made possible by a variety of modification choices. The important thing is to obtain your own oil and market it under your own name. With better oil, the industry will profit more. Additionally, it is possible that the producer will use any leftovers. The device has no negative environmental effects and is exempt from the many documents and goods that the Ministry of the Environment has imposed on oil extraction. Whoa, now that is some sort of right information. And number 2, cheese manufacturing machines. Based on the milk source, cheese is divided into hundreds of different types. Cheese can be flavored using fermentation, milk fat content, bacteria, and mold processing techniques, herbs, spices, and smoke. The entire production line is built to produce a variety of white cheese products using tried and true techniques including ultrafiltration and high shear mixing, encouraging customers to look into new market prospects and boost present output. Customers can have their own fully automatic cheese production line from design through manufacturing, shipment, and installation with unique equipment fabrication depending on client specifications. What do you make of this innovation then? And finally, the most insane and jaw-dropping food manufacturing machines belong to one such thing that is used to preserve foods. Any guesses? Well, hold the excitement as we are going to reveal the top one now. At number 1, we have plastic bottle manufacturing machines. High-quality blowing molding equipment with different production capacities is offered by Documar. Because of their great efficiency, low power consumption, simple operation, and easy maintenance, their machines have been marketed all over the world. Since the system is extremely automated and intelligent, there is no pollution. A linker that can be placed directly in front of a filling machine can be used to connect the air conveyor. Stretch blow molding offers a high capacity and a long service life while consuming less air. Operator safety is ensured with a premium muffler and a securely protected link gate. Wide mouth and normal PET bottles could both be blown by this variation. Preforms are manually fed and bottles are automatically heated and blown. The employees have no technical requirements. The machine's hourly capabilities range from 1,000 to 4,000 pieces, and they function consistently and are more affordable than ordinary automated machines. And that concludes our list, guys. To be honest, food manufacturing machines are the need of the hour, and with these superpowers in our hands, our work is definitely going to get easier. But what do you guys think about this? Which food manufacturing machines grabbed your attention the most? Please let us know in the comments, and if you like our work, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.